Welcome students. In this video we are going to study about exterior angle property for a polygon. Now before that let us first understand what is the meaning of exterior angle. So we have studied in 7th standard the concept of exterior angle with the for the shape triangle. Let us recall that particular concept once again. So we take a shape triangle and one of the side of a triangle is produced. Then can you see that there is formation of a linear pair or two angles are formed. The one of the angle is in the interior of a triangle and another one is the outside the triangle. The outside one is called as exterior angle. This particular exterior angle you will find is forming a linear pair with interior angle. That is the identification for an exterior angle. So when do you get exterior angle? When side of any polygon is extended or produced. Is it clear? So let us go for the identifying exterior angle. So one of the exterior angle I marked. Similarly, can I produce the other side? So yes. So another exterior angle is marked. Third side, so we can produce. Third side can be produced and there is again another exterior angle. So how many exterior angles are there? There are 3 exterior angles. How many interior angles are there? There are 3 interior angles. Is it okay? So for 3 interior angles, there can be 3 exterior angles. Now when we talk about producing the side, is it that we can produce it only one direction? Can't we produce in reverse direction? So yes, we can produce. So here you will find when we talk about producing a side, producing or extending a side, it can be done in both the direction. Now here, which direction we have followed? We have went or we are going in this particular direction. We call it as anti-clockwise. So first we produced the bottom line, then this particular line, and then the third one line. Can we go in now opposite direction to see whether we get exterior angles? So let us see. So let me erase it. So again another triangle I have taken and now I am extending it in opposite direction. So do I get again an exterior angle? So yes, again I will get exterior angle, and how many? Again 3. Is it okay? So what do you say? We can have 3 exterior angles but which can be drawn in 2 different ways. Is it okay? So let us see. The first one which we have drawn now and the second one type. So at every vertex, how many exterior angles are formed? So we have 2 exterior angles at every vertex. Is it okay? Does it mean that there are 6 exterior angles? No, there are 3 exterior angles which can be drawn in how many different ways? 2 different ways. You have to follow the direction. Either you can have the blue ones or you can have the purple ones. So how many exterior angles are there? 3 exterior angles for a triangle. But how many ways you can draw? You can draw it. They mean 2 ways. Are you getting? So are you understanding the concept that when a side is extended, an exterior angle is formed? Now let us take example of quadrilateral. So I have drawn a quadrilateral. Now let us start extending the sides. See, one, then the second one, then third one, and then the fourth one. So how many exterior angles are there? 4. Now can we draw it in other way? So yes, let us go for that. So now here I am opposite direction. Can you see the direction change? So 1, then 2, again third one, again fourth one. So I have drawn 4 exterior angles in 2 different ways. Let us compare both together. So the first one type and now the second one type. And what about these exterior angles in the triangle also and here also? you will find, are they vertically opposite angles? So yes, their measures will be same. Their measures will be same. So you should be able to identify the exterior angles drawn in any way. It's not that only on right side the side is produced or left side. The side can be produced, side of a polygon can be produced in either direction. Then you will get two sets of equal, of course, equal exterior angles. All these pair of angles, they are having equal measures because they are vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So what we say, we have four exterior angles for a quadrilateral and drawn in how many ways? Two ways. Similarly, for pentagon, how many exterior angles will be there? 5. For hexagon, how many exterior angles? 6. And when will you get exterior angles? When you produced the side, when you extend the side of a polygon. Is it clear, children? So now let us go for summarizing the part. So exterior angle is formed when a side of a polygon is produced. There are those many exterior angles as many interior angles for a polygon. Triangle, how many interior angles? 3. Quadrilateral, how many exterior angles? 4. Pentagon, how many exterior angles? 5. Is it okay? And so on. So if n are the number of sides for a polygon, then how many exterior angles will be there? N exterior angles. Now exterior angle and interior angle always form a linear pair. This is very important property, that is the identification. It forms a linear pair, that is they are supplementary. If you add exterior angle and interior angle in a pair, then what will you get? You will get sum to be 180 degree, that is they are supplementary. So children, I hope it is very clear from the diagram that exterior angle is obtained when you produce the side of a polygon, and it can be produced in any direction. Are you getting? So you always have two ways to draw the exterior angles. Remember this. Is it okay? And how will you identify exterior angle? That angle which is outside the polygon, which is forming linear pair with the interior angle. Understood? So now let us go for the property of exterior angle now. Now exterior angle property of a polygon. Now once again I have taken a quadrilateral and I am drawing now 4 exterior angles for this quadrilateral. Is it okay? And now what I am doing, I am going to take these 4 exterior angles and I am going to arrange them. What do I observe? What do I get here? Can you see, is it a complete angle? Is it a complete angle? And what is the measure of complete angle? It is 360 degree. So if I add the 4 exterior angle, what is the sum of exterior angles? It is 360 degree. Let us do it once again so that you will understand what I have done here. So what I have done, I have taken a quadrilateral again. I have taken a quadrilateral and then I am now extending each side to get an exterior angle. See, the exterior angles are marked with red. Can you see how many exterior angles are there? 4. Now what will I do? I'll take each one of these exterior angle and I'll arrange them. See, I'm arranging. 2 I have arranged. Now the third one, blue one, and the navy blue one. Now what do you observe here, the figure? Is it a complete angle? Is it a complete angle? Are they forming a complete angle? Just see all the vertices, they are forming a complete angle. And if they are forming a complete angle, what is the conclusion? We can conclude that sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. We have experienced in previous exercise also. Even for triangle, you were getting sum of exterior angle equal to 360 degree. And in quadrilateral, is it true for pentagon? So we say yes. For all the polygons, the sum of exterior angles is always 360 degree. You take any polygon, 4-sided, 5-sided, 6-sided, 7-sided, 8-sided, decagon, 12-sided, 24-sided, any polygon, sum of exterior angles or all exterior angles will be always 360 degree, and this is very important property. So we write down sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree. Now if it is 360 degree and it is constant for every polygon, starting from triangle to n number of sides for a polygon. Is it okay? Now what happens for a regular polygon then? Now exterior angle property and regular polygon, can we have some interesting formula for this? So you all know that in regular polygon the sides have equal length, interior angles have equal measure. Now as equal interior angles are having equal measure, then what do you think if I talk about square? All the angles are equal, that means each angle is 90 degree. So what do you think about its exterior angle? Will it be same? Will it be same? So we say yes, it will be also 90 degree. All the four exterior angles of a square will have equal measure. Why? Because exterior angle is forming linear pair with interior angle and measure of interior angle is same. So what about exterior angle measure? It will be same. So what will we say? For a given regular polygon, all the exterior angles have equal measure. Means if equilateral triangle, what will be the measure of exterior angle? So it will be 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. For square, is it a square means four-sided regular polygon? What is the measure of interior angle? 90 degree. So what is the measure of exterior angle? 180 minus 90, that is 90. So all four will have equal measure. So we say for a given regular polygon, all the exterior angles have equal measure. Is it okay? Then can we have a formula? So measure of each exterior angle for a regular polygon. So it will be naturally 360 degree upon n. Because sum of all exterior angle is how much? 360 degree. And they have equal measure. And how many exterior angles are there? There are n exterior angles. So what is the formula? Measure of each exterior angle, of course it is for only regular polygon, is equal to 360 degree upon n. What is n here? Where n is number of sides of a regular polygon. As all the exterior angles for regular polygons, have equal measure, can we get measure of exterior angle? So of course yes, sum is always there to be 360 divided by n, and this formula is very important. So what we have studied in this particular video, children, so we have seen what is exterior angle. So exterior angle is the angle which we obtain after producing or extending a side. At each vertex we can have two ways to draw the exterior angles. How many exterior angles are possible for a polygon? So it is equal to number of interior angles. What is the formation of or combination of interior angle and exterior angle? So they form a linear pair. That's why they are supplementary. And then the property, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon, of any polygon, is always 360 degree. You take triangle, you take 24-sided polygon, you take 15-sided polygon, sum of exterior angles will be constant. It will be always 360 degree. What will vary? Sum of interior angles will change. Are you getting? Then coming to regular polygon, in regular polygon, now we have third condition. How do we define regular polygon? A polygon with equal sides and equal angles, interior angles. Now we can also say equal sides, equal interior angles, as well as equal exterior angles. So this gives a very important formula for us. That is, we can have measure of each exterior angle for a regular polygon, and it is equal to 360 degree upon n. What is n? N is number of sides of a regular polygon. I hope you have understood the concept. Observe the video again and again to understand how to draw and how to identify exterior angles for a polygon and their properties. See you in next video. Thank you, children.